good afternoon, good evening, whatever part in the world you are. It's Cook and Inspire back in the kitchen again with Chef Garnet. I'm telling you, today I'll be cooking shrimp Alfredo. I'm telling you, I don't know if I pronounced that word right, but if I haven't pronounced it right, you can correct me. Yeah? See with me on that one then. I'll take you and I'll show you my basic ingredients. You know, but don't forget when you watch this, before you watch this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Yeah? So let me take you and I'll show you my ingredients for my shrimp. Yeah, so here we are now. I'll be cooking my shrimp Alfredo, and I'm going to show you the ingredients that I'll be using to cook this dish today. It's a delicate dish, right? So here I have my shrimp already washed and seasoned. Okay, so I've washed and seasoned my shrimp. Right, so the season that I've used to season the shrimp is Walker's Wood Jerk seasoning, and I've used some Old Bay seasoning. This is mainly for seafood, and I'm also going with some Maggi chicken flavors, right? And I've put about a teaspoon of pink salt on my shrimp. Yeah, so those are my basic ingredients for seasoning my shrimp. And over here, when I'm going to be making my sauce, I'll be using my green bell pepper and my red bell pepper, some yellow bell pepper, and I've love a bit of crunchiness, so I've prepared some carrots. Yeah, nicely chopped. Over here we got some fresh thyme. Okay, we'll be using our double cream to make our sauce, and we'll be using cheese also, yeah, to make our sauce. I'm gonna use some butter to bring the sauce and give it a nice flavor to it. This is our tagliatelle.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Tagliatelle pasta. Tagliatelle pasta. Here you go. That's what I'm gonna be using today. Yeah? And over here we got our pre-prepped garnishes for finishing or when my dish is finished. I'll be using olive oil to saute my shrimp. Okay? And when I'll be boiling up my water for my pasta, you know, key thing is always use a bit of cooking oil in your pot when you're using to boil when you're boiling your pasta, so it doesn't stick together. Okay, so I'll take you and I'll show you when I'll be sauteing my shrimp. Let's get this up. Turn it on low flame. At the same time, I'm gonna light my flame for my pasta to boil. So first I'm going with a quarter cup of oil in the water for my pasta. One tablespoon of salt in my pasta. Okay, so my shrimp is there. So what I'll be doing, I'll be going with some garlic infused olive oil to saute my shrimp. Yeah, just a little bit. Right. So like that. Yeah. Put my shrimp in there as it's sauteing. So here we have it, our shrimp. Just let the oil just heat up. So we're going in with our shrimp. Okay, my oil need to be a bit hotter. So don't forget to wash your shrimp and season them thoroughly. If you can, you know what I do, I season my shrimp and leave them overnight, you know, and that will be good. We got a nice little marinade going on in there, but you can do it, you know, the same day, leave it for a couple of hours and you'll be good. Yeah man, so here we are, going in with my shrimp, just to, you don't want to overcook your shrimp, because don't forget that shrimp is something that is very delicate, and if you overcook them then it's gonna come out rubbery. Ask me how do I know that? I don't eat seafood, but I used to eat it. You know, but I don't eat it anymore. I stay away from seafood. I'm just doing this dish for my wife. She requested this dish. I'm telling you. And my kids. You know, get some oil in there. Saute that a bit, you know. And you see them get nice and pink, you can take them out. Yeah? I'll show you when it gets nice and pink. And then take it there. Hold it there. So let me saute this shrimp up, and then I'll come back and I'll show you what's going on. Here we are, my shrimp already finished cooked, so I'm gonna take this, I will set it aside while my water for my pasta is boiling up. So I'll be setting my shrimp aside, so when I prepare my sauce, I'll put my shrimp in there. Just bear with me a minute. Right, so here it is, my shrimp well sauté. Set that aside. So I'll be going in with my tagliatelle pasta. You know, so I'm cooking for around, you know, 4 people. Don't forget, you know, to when your water is boiling up properly before you can put your pasta in there, because you don't want to put your pasta in any cold water at all. Yeah, your water has to be nice and hot and boiling. Okay, put a few more in there. I wish I could eat seafood. So let's give it a look. You don't want to stir it too much to break it up. These pastas are very delicate pasta. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll let that boil for a while, and I'll come back and I'll show you how I'm gonna put my sauce together. Yeah, my creamy sauce. I'll show you when I'll be putting my creamy sauce together. That's gonna be lovely. So I'll come back and show you that in a minute. You have seen my shrimp already done. My pasta is boiling, so now I'm gonna be making my creamy sauce for my pasta. Okay, so first of all, I need about 2 pieces of butter. Put that in there. Bring up my flame, medium. Not up to. So here it is, my butter is done. I'm going with some garlic. I'm going with 3 cloves of garlic. Yeah, 3 cloves of garlic. Then I'll be going with my, give it a little stir first, let that saute in my garlic and my butter. Yeah, get that going. Then I'll be going with my chopped onions. Chopped onions, give it a little stir. Yeah, let's caramelize that in. Yeah. Give it a little stir. Let that garlic and onion infuse together. Give it a nice aroma. You can smell it already, all that goodness coming together. Yes, so I'll be going in with my bell peppers. I've used green, red bell peppers, and I'll be going in with my diced carrots. I love vegetables, so this is the way how I do it. I don't know how you do it. You can leave a comment if you do it different from the way I am doing it now. Yeah, leave a comment in for me to see. So this is the way I do it. Anyways, you don't want to overcook all those pepper. Yeah, so I'm going in with my fresh thyme. Already washed, everything's already washed, pre-prepared. Yeah, so let me saute this for a bit and then I'll come back and show you. Yes, so here we are. So this is the juice from the prawns. You know, I've put it off and I'm going to use it in there. So I'll put the juice from the prawn inside there. Yeah, all of that goodness in there. I'll be going in with some double cream. Yeah, you can see the container. Double cream. Put all of that inside. All of that goodness in. I'll be going in with some grated cheese. About a cup of grated cheese. All that goodness inside of it. Stir that up like that minute now. That's it. Look how creamy that is. So what you do, you let that sauce come together. Yeah. Let all that sauce come together. Look how rich that is. You'll have to wash my jar and wash out every goodness out of it. Oops. Yeah. Just bring my flame down to low. Let that simmer. Yeah. About 2 minutes. Let it simmer for 2 minutes. Then I'll come back and show you what I'll be doing next. So here we are again. Show you my finishing touch of my sauce. So what I'll be doing, I'll be going with some fresh parsley. Yeah, freshly chopped parsley. My sauce, you can see how nice and creamy that is. Yeah, nice and creamy. I'll be putting in my prawns. Yeah, I'll put off and then I'll put the rest when I'm going to be plating up. Yeah, so I'll leave a few just for plating. Okay, so leave that there. So everything is in there now already. My shrimp, my sauce, my cheese. And look how creamy that is. Look. Yeah. I've got my pasta over here, which I already drained. Ready to go into my creamy sauce. Look how nice that is. So I'll be going in with my pasta, my tagliatelle pasta. Look how creamy that is. Oh, I wish I could eat some of this, man. So you put all of it in there. Oh my god. Put all of that goodness in there. What you do is get your flame down below and just mix that in. Creamy. Look how creamy that is. Oh yeah. Ain't that pure goodness? Ain't that pure goodness? Ain't that pure goodness? Just give that a little mix in. Give that a little mix. Put some bit more fresh parsley over that. Look at that. Look at that. Mix that in. Right. Here we go. So when I come back, I'll plate up. And when I come back, I'll show you what it looks like. Yeah, so here we are. Our finished dish from our shrimp Alfredo. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. Our finished product. Yeah. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video and leave a comment in the comment section. Yeah. Until next time, it's Chef Garnet out and over. Yeah man, that's how we do it in the kitchen.